Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says simplify 5 all over 2 raised to the power of 2 all over 5. So this question looks somehow difficult, but we are going to simplify it to the simplest form. So we have here solution. So we are given 5 all over 2 all to the power of 2 all over 5. Here we have this as a fraction and also to the power of a fraction also. So this can be written as 5 all over 2 all to the power of 1 all over 5 times 2. So in this case, this can be written as 5 to the power of 5 all over 2 all to the power of 2 times 1 all over 5. So here is the same thing as 5 to the power of 2 all over 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of 1 all over 5. So we have this. So this is the same thing as, we can expand this, the same thing as 25 all over 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 5. And we can recall the note that when we have a raised to the power of 1 all over b is the same thing as b root of a. So we are going to express this in this format. So this will become 25 all over 4 b root of 25 all over 4. And we also recall that when we have a root of m all over n is the same thing as a root of m all over a root of n. So we can rewrite this as 5 root of 25 all over 5 root of 4. So that is what it becomes. So here we will look for a way that we can cancel the 5 root of this 4 or any of them. Okay, let's take the denominator. So we can recall that when we have n root of a all over n root of b is the same thing as n root of a times this, okay, n root of b times n root of b n minus 1. So this is b n minus 1 n root. So what we do to the numerator is what we do to the denominator. In this case, if we cancel this and this cancel this, we are now left with this. So what we are going to do, the essence of us trying to put n minus 1 in that place, that n is going to be 5, so that we can have 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 5, so that it can cancel this 5. Okay, let's see how it's going to come out. So this will become, we need to multiply. Okay, we can write it here. We have 5 root of 25 times, this is 5 root of 4, then times 5 root of 4 raised to the power of 5 minus 1, then times 5 root of 4 raised to the power of 5 minus 1, because we say n minus 1. So we have 5 minus 1. So we can simplify that. So we clean this. So here we have 5 root of 25. So here will be 5 root of 25, then times 5 root of 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we have raised to the power of 4 all over. So we have 5 root of 4 times, we have 5 root of 4, then we have 5 minus 1, which is 4. So in this case, we can rewrite this as, there is a note. When we have n root of a times n root of b is the same thing as n root of a times b. So let's express this in this format. So we have here as 5 root of 25 times 4 raised to the power of 4 all over, we have here as 5 root of 4 times 4, here is 4 raised to the power of 4. So in this case, this one has the same base. So this will become 5 root of 25 times 4 raised to the power of 4 all over 5 root of 4. Then when we add the power, it's going to be 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is the same thing as 5. So we have 5. So you can see here, 5 will cancel here and 5 will cancel here. So we are now left with 5 root of 25 times 4 raised to the power of 4 all over 4, because this one cancels here. So this is what we have now. So this is the same thing as, so we clean this. So we recall that the note, when we have n root of a times b raised to the power of c is the same thing as n root of a times b raised to the power of c all over n. So let's express this in that format. So we have 5 root of 25. It's same thing as 5 root of 25 times 4 raised to the power of 4 all over 4. So expressing this in this format, we have it as, this is the same thing as 5 root of 25 times 4 raised to the power of 4 all over 5 all over 4. So in this case, the 5 root covers only 25. So here, this will become 5 root of 25 times 4 raised to the power of 4 all over 5. Then this 4, we take it off, is going to be minus 1. So this 4 is the same thing as 4 times 1 times 4 raised to the power of minus 1. So we have this, it's going to be minus 1. So we have 4 raised to the power of 4 all over 5 minus 1. So here will become, the power will be 4 all over 5 minus 1. So taking the LCM of 5, this is like 1 all over 1, 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 times 4, we have 4 minus 5 divided by 1, 5. 5 times 1, we have 5. So this will become minus 1 all over 5. So 4 all over 5 minus 1 is the same thing as 5 root of 25 times 4 raised to the power of minus 1 all over 5. So from here, this is what we have. We were doing this for us to have 1 all over 5. So we have this. Here, that we can recall that when we have n roots of a, is the same thing as a raised to the power of 1 all over n. So here will become 25 raised to the power of 1 all over 5 times 4 raised to the power of minus 1 all over 5. So in this case, this 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2. So we are going to substitute that into where we have this. So we have 25 raised to the power of 1 all over 5 times 2 raised to the power of 2 all to minus 1 all over 5. So here, if we multiply that out, that will give us, so we clean this. When we multiply this out, this will give us 25 raised to the power of 1 all over 5 times, we have here 2 raised to the power of minus 2 all over 5. Because 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, then all over 5. This same thing as when we say all over 1. We can multiply the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. So here will be times 1 times 2, and this one will be times 2. So when we cancel each other, it becomes this. So this is the same thing as 25 raised to the power of 1 all over 5 times 2 raised to the power of minus 2 all over 5. Then this is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 1. When we bring it closer, it will become minus 2 all over 5 plus 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 1. So adding this, minus 2 all over 5 plus 1, we take the LCM 5. 5 divided by here 1. 1 times it will be minus 2. Then here, 5 divided by 1, 5. 5 times 1 will be 5. So here will become 3 all over 5. So we are going to substitute 3 all over 5 in this place. So we have 25, 1 all over 5 times 2. That is 3 all over 5 all over 2 raised to the power of 1. So in this case, what we are going to do is for us to have a factor of this. 25 is the same thing as 5 raised to the power of 2. So this will become 5 raised to the power of 2 all to the power of 1 all over 5. Then we have times 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 5. Then all over 2. So in this case, move over to this other side. So we clean this. When we clean that, then we can move over to this other side. So we have this. This will become, we have 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2. That is 2 times 1 all over 5 will be 2 all over 5 times 2 raised to the power of 3 all over 5, then all over 2. So this is what we have. We can see that we have 2 all over 5 and we have 3 all over 5. So that is the same thing as having 5 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of 3. Then we have 1 all over 5, then all over 2. So in that case, we have here as, this is 25 times 8, because 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. All to the power of 1 all over 5, then all over 2. So in this case, 25 times 8 will give us 200. So this is the same thing as 200 raised to the power of 1 all over 5, then all over 2. Or we have feet root of 200 all over 2. So this is what we have. It is either we have this or we have this. So the nearest simplest form is feet root of 200 all over 2. So that is the answer to this. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.